Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make a program for checking two consecutive ones. In this program we are going to check the occurrence of ones consecutively in an list. So first we will run our program. So here prompting occurrence of two consecutive ones 1. Here 1 has occurred consecutively only one time. So the answer is 1. Now we'll get back to our code. Here we have defined a function count underscore consecutive underscore ones and passes a parameter list. Inside the function we have declared two variables count and total and initialize their value to 0. Now for iterating each element present inside this list we are using for loop. So for num in list, and then we are checking that if the current element is equal to 1, then the count will increase and it will check the next element. If the next element is also 1, then it will get plus, and 1 plus 1 becomes 2. And then we are again checking that if the count is equal to 2, then the total will be increased by 1. Here you can see if the count is equal to 2, then the total will be increased by 1. And this function will be continuously done for each element. And if consecutively ones not find, then the else part will be performed and count will be 0, and then total will be returned. If else part is performing, then the total will be 0. As you can see here, we have initialized the value total equal to 0. And if part is performing, then the total will be as per the calculation that how many times two consecutive ones has occurred. Now for taking input from the user of the elements, we are using the input function and prompting enter the elements of the list space separated. And as we are taking the value in a string, for separating each individual element, we are using the dot split function. Now as we are taking the input from the user in string, now we have to convert that into integer. For that we are using list comprehensor. So for lm in elements means the elements present in this elements variable. So for lm in elements, it will convert it into integer. Inside the integer function we have given that lm, and the resulting list operating from this list comprehension will be stored inside the my_list variable. Now we are calling our function here count underscore consecutive underscore ones, and we are passing the newly created list my_list here, and we are storing this function calling inside a variable occurrence, and then we are printing with a prompt to the user occurrence of two consecutive ones, and then we are giving our variable. And now I'll again run the program. And here we can see that the occurrence of two consecutive ones is 3, and we can also see here that 2 time 1 has occurred, then here again total thrice. Thank you for watching the video.